Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Note 20 in 5G. And this is the phone I currently have, which is the Galaxy A50. It is a little smudgy because I just took the case off. And I absolutely love this color. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So let's go ahead and take the case off. The phone itself. Go ahead and get that off. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this. Size comparison to the A50. Both got 3 cameras. This is an absolutely beautiful phone. The instructions and the lid. So we have the super fast charger. See if y'all can see this up close. USB-C to USB-C cord right here. I am using my S9 Plus to record right now. So yeah, this is the phone. Let's power it on to see how it looks. So this absolutely looks beautiful. This is just the regular Note 20. I did not get the Ultra, but this phone is absolutely beautiful. Love this green color. Also have the Mystic Bronze and the Mystic Green. So these are absolutely beautiful. This one's already wrapped, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one. I'm actually recording with one hand, so yeah, this really feels nice in hand. So yeah, this is my video, and thank you so much for watching. These are absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely post more videos later down the road on how I like these. So thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. One thing to add, it does come with a SIM injection tool in the box. And inside here is just the instruction packets. Hello everyone, so I did do an unboxing the other day, but I forgot to show the most important thing, the S Pen. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. This is 24 hours of me having the phone, and I did get a Symmetry Series case from Otterbox. That's what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and show the S Pen. So it is on the left side this year. I do have to do this with one hand. I haven't got a tripod yet. I need to get one, but I haven't got one yet. So you just pull it out. Let's do a close. I did wash my hands, so that's why my hands look wet. I am filming this with my S9 Plus. I don't think it's gonna focus. Alright, so that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some things you can do with the S Pen. It doesn't really matter to me if it's on the left or the right side, the pen, but that's just something that doesn't bother me, honestly. So I'm gonna show you just a couple things. I've only had the phone for 24 hours now, so I can't really give my full opinion, but yeah. My phone cut off for a second. Okay, so I'm going to type in how to draw Snoopy. Photo right here. Gonna go right here. and then hit Smart Select, and I'm going to just highlight all that, and then I'm going to hit Pin to Screen, so it's always there, and you can even move it, minimize it. Okay, so I'm going to go to Samsung Notes, my sad attempt at drawing a box. And then I can put it right here, and I can learn how to draw if I wanted to. And then still write. And then when I want to remove it, just hit exit. It's also pretty cool is when you go up here, it actually has the percentage of how much is left on the S Pen. So that's pretty cool. They also have a thing called Pin Up, which is pretty cool. All these people's different work. They even got coloring book pages for you to do. So yeah, that's my review on that. So I can't really give my full opinion yet about my phone because I only had it for 24 hours. But, so this is the case. And a lot of people have negative opinions about the case because I heard it turns yellow. But we will see. I did scrape it a little bit already by dropping it. I already managed to drop the phone. But it didn't really hurt it, the case. So yeah, that's my review so far in my unboxing, and hopefully in a couple weeks I can do some photos with it, just to show what it kind of looks, the photo quality and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and have a great night or day, everyone.